don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about Steel. And I don't give a fuck about Raheem either. I don't give a fuck about myself. I ain't shit. I ain't never gonna be shit. And you less of a man than me, so as soon as I decide that you ain't gonna be shit, so be it.
Yo, Quincy,
You remember that,
put them birds
motherfucker?
Drinking all day, smoking make the birds fly. A nigga shit ain't been the same since Bird died. My queen will show up to your grave like a hard drive. Addicted to the pain, could've crashed in that car ride. Pouring liquor off the hustle money part-time. Can't let a bitch say anything, I gotta draw lines. I come inside like a desert, run your store dry. I come inside your bitch too and make a storm rise. I mean form like Larry Bird, the king is born. I swing a drum from a bad man like I'm James Bond. Designers playing blue and white like it's Yukon. Me, I cut a tree, started you off like a coupon. Yeah, I keep a ratchet, more stakes than a pool hall. Driving around your block, more weight than a U-Call. Nigga, back in the days we had crates so we could hoop on. Rocking them long chains, designer braid shirts too long. I hear them birds singing. More money, that's what them birds bringing. Fuck with me, I bring the prices down. Couldn't keep it to myself, I had to flood the town. You hear them birds singing. More money, that's what them birds bringing. You fuck with me, I bring the prices down. Couldn't keep it to myself, I had to flood the town.